no performance.
You don't have to be the joke guy.
Yeah, you already are the joke guy.
Need an exercise bike? It has weights in the back.
If I needed one, I'd just steal yours.
That's a spin bike, though. Need a mirror? Got gold flourishes.
I don't remember.
Oh, do you?
You have the list.
I assumed it's just food. Did you just call me a bitch? Wow. You're getting nothing off your list. I'm just going to start picking random shit that's not on your list to add to the cart. What do you need from the cold room? Got the cucumbers and beans?
Yeah. Okay, so.
Onions, yellow and red.
How many people do groceries like me where they don't bag anything?
Less than you'd think.
I mean, you gotta wash it anyway. Okay, I'm gonna trade you.
Okay. No, no problem.
Here? I know, that's why. Well, it doesn't even matter that it was 15. It's just gonna take a while.
Well, you're going to record yourself putting a plate or something?
I struggle to feed myself. It might sound strange, but I often ignore my body's signals until it becomes a real problem. At times, I resort to binge eating or end up with migraines. Other times, I simply procrastinate, even when my stomach is growling. In therapy school, we often emphasize the importance of putting on our oxygen mask first. Why, yes, I'm a licensed therapist, but I still find it challenging to take care of my own basic needs. I would argue that 75% of therapy school focused on acquiring coping skills for self-care, not just to maintain our own well-being, but to also teach those skills to others. So, how do I address one of my most basic needs? I've discovered that it starts by enlisting the help of friends. I've tried doing it alone for years, and it just didn't work. For me, friendship is key. Additionally, the solution needs to be quick and easy. If it takes more than 15 minutes, especially during rush moments like breakfast or lunch, I'm likely to forget about it. It's even worse when no one else is around to guide me through the steps. Meal prepping has become my best solution so far. I shop, cook, and clean with my friend, making the process way less overwhelming. First, we pick recipes and create an ingredients list. Next, we embark on a grocery run, ensuring groceries are stored promptly to prevent spoilage. I pre-clean the kitchen to create a conducive working space, and we prep all the veggies in advance. On cooking day, we start with coffee. Duh, a necessity for early mornings. During the cooking process, we prepare 1 or 2 meals simultaneously, sometimes prepping one while the other is cooking. Every meal is meticulously packaged and frozen, sacrificing the freshness but preventing food waste. Although the effort feels arduous and sometimes brings me to literal tears, I know I'll be ready to repeat the process when our food supply runs low, because the alternative is struggling to feed myself again. Oh, those are so... I just put those in there.